Okay, so right now, you guys can't see me. I'm driving, but I don't want to see people that have the camera because then it's gonna be so awkward. And it's been such a long time that I have recorded, so I'm like, I don't know about this. Damn, you're like speeding and you have a disability. What the hell is going on here? A disabled freaking, what's it called? It's sticker, and you're speeding. Wow. Are you sure you are really disabled? Because I don't think so with that driving speed limit. Esta pendeja, what the fuck, pendeja? Like, spitting up my ass. So today is Damien's birthday, and like I said, I don't care if you guys call me cheap ass. I don't care. I like going to a 99-cent store, by the way. But I went to a 99-cent store because I want to grab some balloons. I went to one and there was not enough balloons, and there was only like pink balloons left. That says happy birthday. So I'm like, no, I need blue. And the rest of the blue were like all inflated and everything. So I was like, no thank you. So I'm going to another 99 cents to see if they have enough balloons. Oy, pásale, no importa. Like, una viejita, disabled sticker, literally was driving off the speed, and now otro viejito, he's just like bien vale madre. He just went in front of me, and he can't even fit, and he still went through. Like, okay, so I found the balloons, got him 3 balloons, and I got him a crown. It's like inflatable crown, so I'm gonna go ahead and surprise him with that. And I'm gonna be on my way right now to his school to surprise him because it's gonna be out right now in like 10 minutes or less. Oh no, in a minute. Look. Yeah, your party, your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cheese. It's a video. It's a video. So we pick up Damien finally, and he got his balloons and the crown. You got a crown?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My balloon.
Your balloon.
Your pictures. Your balloon.
Yeah, I guess a lot of people had a lot of birthdays today because there weren't a lot of balloons. I don't know why. Are you going, sir, or not? Okay, then bye. You didn't go? Y que ahorita le dé. I'll be pissed. No, he didn't. Okay, so, yeah, so a lot of people, I don't know. Okay, ya le dio. Wow. Really?
Mama, mira
¿No
Batman.
estás esperando ver las nalgas a la vieja o what?
Mom.
So yeah, so I guess a lot of people had their birthday today. What a coincidence. Because a lot of people were taking balloons and balloons and balloons, and I'm like, what the? But good thing we found some, because if not, then I'll be like, I need some balloons. I'll probably be like that lady from Christmas with the Cranks, where she's looking for the hickory ham and she's fighting to go and get one. I'll be like that lady from Christmas with the Cranks. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Damien.
Happy birthday to you. Bravo, Damien! Happy birthday to you. Cha, cha, cha.
Okay, guys, I I want to show you something that just happened to me in the freeway. Like, literally, I have my reindeer ears and then the reindeer nose. While I was in the freeway, the reindeer nose flew away. I was like, what the hell is that? And then when I see the sparkly things, I was like, oh my god. I was like, the nose. It's like, oh wow, okay. And right now when I left the things that I have in my car, I was like, okay, I want to check and see if there's like something, you know, so, still part of the nose. And the good thing is that where it was glued on, it's still there, so I can go and exchange it for a new one. I don't think I have it anymore, but I know I have the receipt though. So oh yeah, I have the receipt, so I'm gonna go ahead and exchange it for a new one because that was not cool. I was like, oh, that's bad. But I guess, I mean, I don't know if it was glued right or because I was going too fast. I don't know. But literally, that thing just flew off the car. I'm like, what the? Okay. But I can't get mad because it was just like 14 bucks. So it is what it is. You get what you pay. So common sense. But I'll show you guys right now how it looks like. I was like, wow, okay. But okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so that is the part that was taken off, like literally. The good thing is that I have this, so I can like, return it and say that it fell off. So that's a good thing. Oh, and it's twisted. Okay, so I don't know why it flew off. I guess it wasn't glued right, but I can exchange it for a new one. But yeah. What?
Change.
For what?
Pee-pee pizzas.
Oh, we're going? Oh, for what?
My party.
Oh, your party? Okay.
Change.
I'm going.
Don't pinch me.
No, I'm not.
Somos a Miami, ¿sabes la canción?
¿Quieres comer? Because it's cold. You put in money?
Logo, fala ali, what the fuck? I want a refund.
What?
You got 50. I don't think I got jackpot. That shit didn't give me nothing. That shit gave me one fucking ticket. One fucking ticket.
That's your jackpot.
Yeah, pues aquí se atoró las pinches pointed out. That's supposed to go all the way down, then I hit the number.
We got ripped off.
Let me check.
Got the trying the donut and the heart. The donut and the heart.
I'm trying to get a heart right now. Just got a monkey right now. Oh, we got two! That is a donut.
I told you que era donut and the heart.
What the fuck?
Dale, tres ahora. I got three.
You got one.
Ahí no se cae. Oh.
Oh, what's another dollar?
What is this? Like, esto es like that, con la tongue. Luego, I think it's just a happy face. No, con la tongue.
Come on, Carla. Carla, come here. On my putty, on my pencil, on my
¡Esto también!
Take it, we can take it out.
Yay! Okay, so it is currently 10:30 something now. I'm tired. It was a long. Yes, we're tired. It was a long day. Like you guys saw, we did end up going to Peter Piper Pizza because that's until Saturday. We end up going to Peter Piper Pizza because we just want to do something for his birthday for today because we are having the party on Saturday. So yeah, we just want to do something small. You can see my pimple here. You can see so much texture in my forehead, to be honest, around my whole face. I don't care. But yeah, so we end up going to Peter Piper Pizza. Damien literally had so much fun. Seriously, kids don't really matter. They don't care where you take them because anywhere you take them, they'll have fun. Like, trust me, they'll have fun. So, that was that. And I don't know. It was good. It was fun. It was all good. So we were good right there. So I'm just gonna cut off the vlog here. I'll do another one tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do one like daily. I want to get in the habit of recording and doing vlogs. I have not done one in the long time ago. Last one I did was when I did my get ready with me and like my mini vlog when me and my boyfriend we went out for dinner. But that's like the only vlog, I think. I don't remember, but I think it is. So yeah. So I was gonna say, see, I have that freaking I have that. Tengo esa maña. I have that maña. Like que I just puedo decir algo, estoy hablando y me quedo así como que trabada, como like, ¿qué quiero decir? ¿Me entiendo? Like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Okay, but literally, my hair is growing. Like, literally, I'm so happy because it's growing. It's kind of like all fried up still. Like, I can feel it. It's fried up. But I'm happy because it's growing. And I want it to grow so I can dye my hair. Y me lo vuelvan a enchicharrar como me lo hicieron esta vez. When I dyed my hair blonde. So yeah. So yeah, so my hair's growing. I'm happy about that. Yes, so I guess we'll do another vlog tomorrow. Let me know what you guys want to see also, because I want to do so many things with, you know, record so many things. Like, I don't know, I want to go out and like try new places here in San Diego, like to go out and eat and all that. Because obviously, if you don't know, I do live in the area of beautiful sunny side of San Diego. So I want to do that, like where you can go eat and everything. So yeah.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
To see you tomorrow.
Hasta yours. Hasta
Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Bam. How old did you turn today? Bam. How old did you turn today?
My party out of a
No, how old did you turn? 5. Did you turn 5? Yeah, huh? Ooh. You had fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Blueberries. So,
I love you. I love you.
where's your mama?
You too, Bam. Okay,
Mama.
so we are off. We're leaving. Bye, guys. See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Hasta mama.